Take a shot.
Good morning. I finally moved to the house. As of now, the only thing which is set up is the water dispenser and my curtains. I'm very much determined to finish setting up this house real quick because I literally can't in a cluttered space and I need to finish this real fast. Anyways, I've just taken shower. Now it's time to go have some breakfast. The mood is to have something South Indian. Let's see what we get. It's so hot here, I don't feel like drying my hair with a dryer today. If you have already watched the home decor haul, this is the couch that I was talking about. I'm so much in love with it. It is so damn big and comfortable and so fluffy. So my sofa is currently getting some new covers today, which I'm really excited. A little nervous because I've never gone for bright colors till date. It's always been bright and subtle color. But this time I chose a really bright color, which is red. I hope it goes. Also, I had to get this done real fast because I'm using in my living room and my pet just destroyed it completely. So this was very much required. Also, another to-do list for today is I need to get some stuff for my kitchen. 3 little things which are basic, and I might go to Zudio because it's very nearby and get myself a house slipper. Get myself a house slipper also because I didn't get the one that I use. I don't know, I get very excited about all this. Good morning, it's an update. I don't even remember which day this is, but yeah, so today's to-do list is to set up my kitchen because finally my package is delivered and I have all the new jars. I don't know if I should be excited because there's so much to clean. Literally, I need to wash all the bottles and then put things in it. I don't know if I'm going to wash it today, but I will definitely open it and set it up as per my wish. Also, the reason that I've taken everything new is because I did not want to disturb my house kitchen. I want it to be as it is when I go back, and it matches my current bottles and jars which I already have it in my house. So yeah, I thought all of that and ordered some really cute stuffs which I'll show you girls. I don't know if I'm going to show it or I'll just unbox it. And the amount of time that I'm shuffling furniture from this room to that room is insane. I'm still not understanding what I should be doing with this room and I think it'll take some time to figure out. The house doesn't come with an AC point, so it's a bit of an hassle right now. I'm feeling really hot, like it's extremely hot when I say this. Even though I keep the windows open, right, there is no cross ventilation happening. The house is getting heated up like real quick and I can't even tell you how it feels in the night. I really need to get... I did check with the owner for AC point. Skeptical. They are a little skeptical about drilling the wall. I understand. I have desert coolers at home, but I don't want that because it's going to take so much of space in the house. Scratching the face while talking to the camera has become a thing on my channel, I guess. I don't know why do I do that so often. Today's to-do list is to cut my curtains. I initially thought I will give it to the tailor to fix it, but I think I'm not going to do that because he's going to take a week to give me back the curtains. And I can't live here without curtains because there are houses opposite to my room and you can see literally everything. And now that I've changed the entire bulbs in this house, it is so freaking bright. And I'll be really conscious. So let's fix it by DIY. So I like doing all this. I don't like stitching, but I like cutting things. I love, but I'm not so good at it. But I can somehow manage doing something. I love drawing too. And my cooler has arrived and definitely looks useful. I must say the sound is really less compared to what I have at my house. I like the style also. It's about this tall. Unnecessary information. It looks like something in Dyson. I definitely like how it looks. Also, by the way, how cute is the top? Mintra haul is coming very soon, guys. Well, I'm planning to go to West Side today. I have some stuffs that I need to buy. My soup glass is broken. I require it. So let's go and get it. This West Side had such less options, but I did get myself a soup cup. I also got a really cool vase, and I'm thinking I'm going to be using that on my DIY island for the kitchen. I also got a spoon and a fork holder, which is also pretty cute. I'll show that in my next video, I think. Well, that's it for this video. I know it was very chaotic. I'm not sure if I've taken really cool angles and shots, which I wanted to, but it didn't happen like I planned. And yeah, I got my soup glass and some more other stuff, which I will show you in the next video. If you're new to this channel, definitely check my other videos, and if you like it, do subscribe to the channel. And for the ones who are here from the very beginning, thank you very much for loving all my previous video. I love you girls so. I cannot end the video.